What is up, you guys? Today we'll be doing a snorkel on this Honda Rancher. I'll be going over step by step, vent lines. Well, stay tuned, guys. Enjoy. First, take all the seat and plastics off. Next, you'll need a long screwdriver to get to the snorkel duct, the factory snorkel, and screw it, the clamp. It's in there. Just like that. This is your factory snorkel. Our goal right now is to take the airbox out. We're gonna have to silicone it and all that. Clip, breather hose, there we go. Alright, this process I'm taking the snorkel out. I think I'm gonna have to take this cover off. And then these clips you're gonna pull out. There you go. That's one. Remove that. It's 10mm. And then snorkel, remove it from these clips, and breather hose. And this side too. There you go. And just lift it up just a little. We got a breather hose here that's holding. Let's see if we can remove it like that. Slowly, don't break anything. There you go. It's out. Then just connect everything back. Let's remove the airbox lid. And disconnect the air filter. Now I have to disconnect the airbox. Right here, these clips right here too. Screwdriver right up in here. Disconnect this clamp. Now this vacuum hose from the airbox right up here. Just squeeze this little clamp with your fingers, or if you want pliers, like that. Now disconnect the air temperature sensor right here on this side. Should be a push down and pull like that. Press here and then pull. Now let's get these clips. Let's connect this right here. There's one. This is my winch wire. I'll cut the winch zip ties real quick. There we go. There we go. Clean inside of your airbox really good, because you might be siliconing it all. Well, it's your choice. I'm probably not going to silicone the lid, but I'll silicone all this. You also need to inspect your airbox for any cracks, yeah. Just look around. This factory silicone sucks. So just remove it, then put your own. Clean it up really well inside. Now this part goes right between that. Alright, stick it in first, maybe it'll be easier, like that, and then lift it up. To make it inside. Like that. There you go. Alright, after you have it dry for about a few hours, let's put it back in. It's best to put this already back on. There you go. After you insert it back into it, tighten it up. It's dielectric grease. Stick it right in here. The sensor clip back in. Now the vacuum hose down here. Stick it back in. And the clamp for it. Now put clips back on. There we go. And tighten it up down. The airbox lid can be sealed in two ways: silicone or dielectric grease. I'm going to use dielectric grease so I can take the cover off whenever I need to change the air filter or anything. So I think this is the best way. Let me just go around with it. Just letting you know there is a gasket inside, but it's not the best, but something. This one is the factory clamp. You will need to install the new one because it's a lot more bigger, because this one won't fit in there. So we'll install this one that comes with the kit. Insert this clamp back into that where the factory snorkel went. This is where your snorkel will come in. Then insert the SKEL 202 in here. Then you insert another SKEL 202 right in here after you tighten. Like that. Now what's going to happen, you have this flex pipe. You need two clamps and the SKCPL 204. Okay, first put this in here. Coming from there. Here it is. So, see if my steering wheel won't hit. No, the steering wheel will not hit. Good. You guys have to be sure measurements and all that right underneath here. Make sure. Then you guys need a 2 3/8 hole saw. That will be drilling in to make a hole. Just like that. I'll use a 7/16. Tighten this up where you estimate around where you're gonna cut your hole. After you tighten the bracket, put your snorkel on and see if it will be perfectly aligned. And then that's when you pull out and create your hole. I think this is about good. Check your steering if it won't hit. It's all good. Yeah, I think this should work. Make your cut. Make sure it's all good and aligned. There we go. There's your hole. After you created your hole, take the bracket back off. Then locate your male ABS pipe fitting. Put your metal bushing on it. Slide it right under here. Look at your female threaded connector. Thread it right onto here. Just like that. After that, I'll ABS cement all the pipes, including this. Alright. Now your SK202 goes right under. And connect this. Just like that. Looks pretty good. Just now it's gonna be all disassemble everything and ABS cement every single end that you connect it to, so it will be waterproof. Just like that. Alright, since we got everything together, I'm gonna put the cover back on to see the fitment of here, and then we're gonna start ABS cementing everything. Looks like it fits. Yep. You gotta also make sure that this flex pipe or any of the fittings or pipes are touching the engine. Because the engine gets really hot. You don't want that to happen. Put heat guard around this area. There we go. For PVC, CPVC, and ABS all-purpose cement. That's all we're gonna use. Alright, now that we cemented all the pipes together, now we're going to put the heat guard all around. Alright, now that the snorkel is done, now we're going to locate all our vent lines and connect them into a bellow. And then some of the vent lines will just be extended up higher. Alright, let's locate the vent line. Vent line is going to be somewhere over here. Pink line. It goes all the way here. Next, you get this fitting and a 3/16. This side goes at the end of the fan vent line, just like this. Then you get a 1/4 inch hose. There we go. And it will insert just like right in here. Like that. And then just route it that way. Just over there. Next, you grab this fitting. Connect your bellow right into it. Then connect this bellow into your fan vent. Just like that. Now where your front differential and breather line is, right there. That line right there. Right here is your front differential line. There it is. And then it goes up into here. Goes in here and you just pull it out. There you go. There it is. That's your front differential line. Now grab this 2-foot hose. Connect this fitting in here. Just like that. And connect it to that differential hose right up in there. Just like that. Now run it somewhere on top of your frame. Just gonna run it through here. Something like that. Just like that. Starts here. And it is usually connected right here. I already have it out. Just like that. Alright, from that front differential vent line, they want us to cut 2 3-inch lines from the front differential hose to use later. This is 6 inches right here. And now 3. There we go. 3-inch. Now connect this T-barb right into the front differential, just like that. And now locate your rear differential line and now connect it to the T-barb with your front differential, just like that. Now put the 3-inch line right into here. Locate your other T-bar and connect it where that 3-inch line goes, just like that. Now find your rear brake line, which is going to be right across from each other, from the rear differential. Disconnect it from here. connect the rear brake line right into here. Just like that. Next, connect the other 3-inch vent line into this barb. And then into here. There you go. All is connected. Then zip tie it in the correct places that you would like. Probably zip tie the bellow right here. All the other lines, so zip tie maybe here. We'll find out. Next, we're gonna find this coolant hose, the water pump hose, in case if water pump fails, coolant will fall through this hose. We're gonna extend it up with this hose. Take it off like that. After you get it in there, extend the line. For the HighLifter Snorkel Kit, it says to wrap it around in circles, and I'm just gonna extend it up. I'm actually gonna wrap it around in circles and then just extend it more. Alright everyone, my snorkel is complete. That's how it stands, with 3 vent tubes going out. So this black one right here is for the coolant bottle. This clear one is for the water pump, and this one is for the fuel tank. So for the fuel tank, I just disconnected it from here and ran it down into there, and it comes out from that hole right here. It goes up. The water pump right here, going up with the snorkel up there, comes out also right here. And then the coolant overflow bottle is right here. I wrapped it around a couple times in a circle right here, zip tied it, goes up through in here and out. 3 lines. And then now for my front, rear differential and brake and fan, they're all right here in the bellow. There goes my front diff, goes through, zip tied it here. Then my rear differential goes down, I zip tied it through the frame, then connected also to the bellow. And then my rear brake line, my fan goes through onto that bellow. Yep, and that's it. Make sure, walk around, look for any cracks that are open. I had one right here. I put some silicone on it. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Gonna test it on Saturday. For the HighLifter Snorkel, like the instructions said, these vent lines wrap around underneath the cover. I didn't really want to do that. I just like it when it's on top, more higher than over here. Yeah, you can wrap it around, but when water gets in, you have to maintain it. Always unwrap it and pour the water out. I don't want to do that. I'll just put it here. The only thing that is wrapped around is this one right here. So yeah, make sure you guys all zip tie for it to be secure. Check for chafe. Don't want it to chafe. I really want to put loom on my fuel line. It would be good to put loom anywhere, but that's it, man. All good. Alright, I'm gonna dielectric grease some stuff. Disconnect probably this wire right here. I'm gonna disconnect the coil right here for the spark plug. Just gonna put some in here. I'm gonna start it up. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed my video. Leave a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.